Today I'll show you how to add money to your Venmo account for the very first time. Open the Venmo app and go to your profile. Tap the Me tab at the bottom, then open your wallet. Inside the wallet, tap Add Money to get started. If this is your first time, you'll need to link a bank account or debit card. Once linked, select it as your payment method. Type in how much you want to add to your Venmo balance, then tap Next. Double-check the details and tap Add Money to complete the transfer. If you're adding from a bank account, it usually takes 3 to 5 business days. If you're adding from a debit card, the money is often available instantly. Make sure your payment method is in your name. Venmo won't accept accounts or cards that belong to someone else. You can always add more than one funding option for flexibility. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Venmo, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.